Hey everyone, have you ever imagined that a city in the eastern of France could be even more charming than Paris? Welcome to Lyon. We're gonna start it here in the 7th district. We're gonna go for all the residential area. After we're gonna arrive to this bridge, we're gonna cross over and we're gonna see this part that is called Belcourt. Then we're gonna go to the another side of the river until here that is the bridge that it's going to the town center. We're gonna see some parts like the Hotel de Ville, the opera, and one part of the town center. After that, we're gonna cross over again the river and we're gonna go up to one viewer of the city that it's here. Here it's called the Old Lyon. We're gonna spend time here. After that, we're gonna go all the river until this area that it's a beautiful area. We're gonna see all the things that has in this area. After that, we're gonna descend all the river but in this side now, and then we're gonna enter to the tunnel of La Croix. We're gonna cross over until we're gonna arrive to the 6th district. We're gonna go all this path and we're gonna go to Park View. After that, we're gonna go back again here to La Croix and we're gonna see all the view of the city but during the night. Starting in the 7th district with all the infrastructure that it has a city surrounded of buildings, high streets. Yeah, we're passing through the second university with most population of finances in all France. After that, we're gonna to the river in the eastern of Lyon. Here we are arriving to the town center. Here in the top we have the church. Coming in into the town center, all these panoramic and panoramic views of the river. Here we are arriving to Hotel de Ville. This hotel that it has more than 100 years of existence. All these medieval structures, all this architecture that it's coming from 2000 years ago. Here we have in front a photo of Hotel de Ville. Here I am in the famous fountain on Lyon. It is the opera of Lyon where musics of worldwide used to come, and here we have a panoramic view of the town center of Lyon. All these luxury stores, all this pomp that it has a city in France. It's a city close to Paris, but it's even more beautiful. Yeah, we were recording the path of the town center, and then we went to the top hill to view a panoramic view of all the city, this magnificent and eloquent city. All the buildings, all the infrastructure, a mix between old and brand new. Here it's a picture of all the metropolitan. And here we were in a small concert that it used to be in this top aisle of the city. After that, we went to the church. Here we have a panoramic view of all the infrastructure of the city. Then we went to the Little Prince store. After that, I went towards the north of the city. Here it's another infrastructure. Here it's another view, another architecture compared with the wrecks of Lyon. He used to live the wealthy people of the high rich people of the city. All the river. Here in this part, it used to be the old village outside of Lyon. As you can see, the infrastructure, it used to change compared with the beginning of the video. Here it's the old town. After that, we went into this magic bridge. In this area, people used to practice sports of water. All the people running. Here it's a good place for you to take a picture, for you pass time and spend time with your family, with your couple, with your sons, with your daughters. All this magic, I don't know, when I was there, I was amazed, I was astonished because I couldn't believe that this place could be ever created in this part of France. It was like to be in a dream, to be honest with you guys. Here I am, a picture of mine. This bridge, it looks like a movie. Then we went returning towards the city of Lyon, because indeed here we were outside of the city, but as you can see here, you can come and you can meditate, you can turn off, you can rest, you can spend a good quality time with your family, with your friends. This is my high recommendation. If you are close on Lyon and you want to come, you can go to the center, you can go to the city, but if you can come to this part of the city, I highly recommend you. Here you can make activities like sports in the water, like rent a ferry and all these things. Also, if you want to come here, you can rent a bike. The Velo app, you can download it and you can rent a bike. All this riverside, it's the velos, the bikes, the bicycles. You can book it, and every 30 minutes you can change your bike. Only you arrive to the station, you let your bike, and you can continue. Yes, better if you're going in a bike compared if you're going in a car, because in an automobile you can enjoy it, but if you're going in a bike, it's better going and see all these views. Even in this part of the city, the European Union has its own office, because of course, and indeed, it's a beautiful part of the city, or outside of the city indeed. This bridge, it looks like a movie. After that, we went into a tunnel that is close up here. This tunnel, what it used to cross over throughout a mountain, and I don't know why the European people used to make a lot of tunnels. And here we were towards the tunnel. This tunnel, it's about 10 minutes in bike. In car, it have to be like 5 minutes or something like that. And also it's people that used to cross over running. After that, we're going to the 6th district. The 6th district is also a wealthy district with rich people, with a good infrastructure and wealthy houses. Here we cross over the river to the eastern side. We were in the west side, and round we were towards the financial district of the financial area of the city. Here, as you can see, it's a completely different infrastructure compared in the north. In the north is more vintage, and here we arrived to Patio. Here it's all the financial buildings, the financial area, wealthy people, all the business that are new used to be generated from here. And then we went to the river, but in the eastern side. One moment ago we were in the river in the west side, and right now we were in the eastern side. Here it used to be more people, more population, and as you can see, this panoramic and amazing view of the river. It's a tonic to be here. You can be here and it's like unbelievable. It's out of your mind, and your brain is like, how can I be here? And this picture I like you for, you can use as template. And finally we arrived to the Quarus, the top side of Lyon, and from here you can observe all the city. And here we went in the evening and we can capture this view during the night, watching the city in the night. As you can see, this beautiful view, and here I can let you a picture